Hello students, today we will study about rounding numbers. Rounding numbers is very important for us because in daily life we estimate so many things, like we are going out and we have to give away some fare or some money to the person, or we are purchasing some vegetables and we have to give the money to that vegetable person, and suppose that I have to give 29 rupees and I have 30 rupees. So what will I think? I will not bargain and I will give away 30 rupees because 30 is closer to 29. Similarly, if I have to pay 22 rupees, so I can ask that vegetable vendor, please भैया, please make it 20 ना, 2 rupees तो ज़्यादा है. So why to do that? Okay. Though rounding numbers is used in daily life. Now let's learn how to do rounding numbers easily. Before we begin with rounding numbers, let's count in tens. Counting in tens means, like if I'm starting with 10, what will come next? 10 plus 10, 20, then 20 plus 10, 30. Yes, good, very good. You are going right. 60, yes. Then next will be, then, okay, I'm continuing after 90 here. What will come after 90? Yes, very good. 100. Yes. Yes, very good. 180. And suppose I'm not moving further down from 180, I am writing here 280. So what will come next after 280? 290. What will come after 290? It's very good. 300. See, after 29, 30 comes and 0, 0. 310. Yes. 320. Very good. Right. Perfect. And then, so these are the numbers which we have written by counting in tens. In every number you can see we are having one 0 because we are counting in tens, so we are having one 0. Okay, tens, because tens में पीछे क्या आएगा? Tens में units place पे क्या आ जाएगा? 0. Every time it is 0. Okay, any number you pick. So whenever we count in tens, we have 1 0 at the end. Now let's move to the next. So our first number for today is 26. Okay, now we have to see which are the two numbers which are near to 26 in tens. In tens, where will 26 come? 26 will come between 10 and 20. Will it come here? Will it come here? 20 and 30. So 26 is in between 20 and 30. Okay, so 26 is between 20 and 30. So I am writing here 20 and I am writing here 30. And what will I write here? I will write the center number here. I will write the center number here. Center number means 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Which is the center number here? So 1 away, 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 1 away. This is my center number. So 25 is my center number. Every time do we need to do this? Is there any shortcut? Let's quickly write down the center numbers and main numbers first. See, this is number 78. No need to write down the complete number line. What you have to see? We know that this is 78. We are saying it 70. So 78. And what will come after 70? Number in tens. What will come on the number line when we were writing na 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80. Very good. And the midpoint will be, what is the midpoint of 10? 10 का half क्या होता है? 10 का half क्या होता है? 5. So इनका midpoint क्या हो गया? 75. Easy. Let's find out for this number. 83. So 80. I am saying it 80. 80. So 80. And what will come after 80? 90. And what will be the center number? What will be the middle number? 80 and then 5. 85. Okay, let's come here. This is 90, 90, and this is what will come after 90? Very good, 100. So what will come in between? So 95 is almost in between only. This is the middle number only, right? Let's find out with these two numbers also. I'm doing it here only. So this is 142. We have to count in tens. So this is tens place. We have to see this place. So 100, 140, 140. Then I say 2. So the first number is 140. And the next number is 150. Similarly, 170, 170. So I will write here 170 because this is 0 I am taking, tens. Okay, so we are counting in tens, so we have to take it in 0. This will become 170, and what will come after 170? 180. Again, the midpoint of 40 and 50 is 45, so this will be 145. And the midpoint of 70 and 80 will be, yes, very good, 75. So the middle number will be 175. Now let's round off the numbers. So this is 70 and 5. Now where will 78 come? 78 will come here, or 78 will come here. It means 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 76, 77, 78. Oh, it is coming here, not here, right? So 79, 80. So 78 lies between 75 and 80. So where will it round off? It will go here, or it will go back to come here. Where will it go? Yes, it will become 80 because it is near to 80. It is easy to come down, but it is difficult to go back. Okay, so 78 will round off to 80. Okay, let's take this number 26. Where will 26 come? 26 is less than 25 or more than 25? It is more than 25. Yes, it will come here. Let's see this next number. 83. Our number is 83. So where will 83 lie? Between here or here? Yes, it will lie here. So 83 will come here around in between 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. So 83 will come here. So we are bringing it down. So 83 will round down to 80. Now let's move to the next number, 95. Now 95, the number is 95 only, so we are here. Okay, now children, if I am going for some work and I have crossed halfway, shall I complete my work or go back? जब मैंने आधा रास्ता complete कर ही लिया, तो let me complete my work. So let me move on. So I will move on to the next number. I will move on to the next number. That means I will become 100. So 95 will move on to 100. That means जब भी कोई number, whenever any number is halfway, we will round it up. We will round it up. So 95 will round up to 100. Now next is 142. 142, where will 142 lie? Is it less than 145? Yes, it is less than 145. So it will round down. So 142 will become 140. And last 177. Where will it lie? Here or here? 177 is more than 175. So it will come here. So 177 will round up. We are not rounding it down. We see in the counting it is the number is becoming bigger. So we will round up to 180. वो दिखने में लग रहा है कि वो नीचे जा रहा है, पर वो काउंटिंग में तो आगे ही जा रहा है, ऊपर ही जा रहा है. इन द काउंटिंग इट इज गोइंग अपवर्ड ओनली. जब आप काउंटिंग लिखते हो तो काउंटिंग बढ़ती जाती है ना 180 की तरफ. सो वी से इट अप, वो बढ़ रहा है, बड़ा बन रहा है. सो 177 will round up to 180. Now every time whenever we have to do rounding off, we have to do this. No, we can do it by following a simple trick. And now we are going to learn that quick trick. So what is the quick trick which we have to learn? So the quick trick is underline the digit. हमें जिस digit को round off करना है हमें उसको underline करना है. We have to underline that digit. Since we are rounding off to the nearest tens, so we will underline the tens place. This is my tens place. I am underlining it. So I have underlined it. Look right next door. Look उसके आगे वाले next door में कौन सी digit है? आगे कौन सी digit है? 6. 4 or less, just ignore. If the digit is less than 4, just ignore, leave it. Or if it is 5 or more, here it is 5 or more. It is more than 5, 6 is more than 5. So when it is 5 or more, add one more. आपको क्या करना है उसमें add कर देना है. किस में add करना है? tens place में add. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. हमने add 1 कर दिया. And everything after is a 0 for sure. और बाकी की digit क्या बन जाएगी? 0, because we are counting in tens, so this will become 30. Underline the digit. Look right next door. आगे वाली digit को देखेंगे. Next digit is 8, which is more than 5 or 5. It is more than 5, so we will add one more. We will add one more. So 7 में जब मैंने 1 plus किया, what will come when I will add 1 to 7? It will come 8, and this will become 0. Underline the digit. Underline again. I am underlining the tens place. Look right next door. आगे वाले door में कौन है? 3. 3 is less, 4 or less. मतलब 4 हो या 4 से कम हो. So it is less than 4. So that means we will just ignore. मतलब कोई change नहीं करेंगे. Ignore. No change. So 8 will come as it is. No change. And everything after is a 0 for sure. और उसके बाद 0 हो गया. Let's do next. Tens place underline. Circle the next digit. It is 5 or more. Add one more. When we will add 1 to 9, what we will get? 10. And then we will write the 0. Again, tens place underline. Find out which is the digit next door. It is 2, 4 or less. Just ignore. That means ignore means no change. So 14 as it is, and everything after is a 0. So after क्या 0 and 4. That's it. So next is 17. So this is my tens place. Now we will see the digit next door. That is 7. 5 or more. Add one more. जब भी 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा हो, we have to add. So 5 से ज़्यादा है यहाँ पे, then we will add. So what is 7 plus 1? Or you can say 17 plus 1. 17 plus 1 is 18. 18, and this will be 0. Again tens place underline. Circle the next digit. It is 5. When it is 5, we will add 1. So 21 will become 22, and we will write here 0. Again this is 5. This is the rounding. The next digit is 6. It is more than 5. So we will add 1. So 95 plus 1 is 96, and then 0. Now this tens place is 9. The next digit is 2. When 4 or less. So 2 is less than 4. That means just ignore. No change. So the number will be 319. Only the same. No change. Ignore. And this will become 0. So this way you can do rounding of numbers very easily. Okay. Now you try yourself.